Hi guys, so this reading is for Pisces and we will be checking what is this August bringing in for Pisces Sun Moon Rising. Orphaned, Yin, Y, Soulmates. Okay. Some past energy is there when it comes to your feminine energy, when it comes to your relationships. You might have some kind of regret that either you have suppressed, या तो आपने उस चीज को दबा दिया है अपनी बॉडी में, उस मेमोरी को आप कहीं भूल चुके हो. वो डेफिनेटली इट्स हिडन, बट that doesn't mean it doesn't exist, right? So there's some memory which still exists. कुछ एक ऐसा पेन है, कुछ एक ऐसी मेमोरी है, कुछ एक ऐसी फीलिंग है जो अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं अंदर एग्जिस्ट कर रही है. और ये जो फीलिंग है, ये जो मेमोरी है, इट हैज समथिंग टू डू विद रिग्रेट. You might have like कुछ ऐसा है where there's regret and there's shame also. You might have done something with your partner in the past, or you might have done something with one of your ex-lovers or in any of your relationships which you're not at all proud of, okay? And उसकी वजह से शायद से कहीं ना कहीं आपने अपने आप को बहुत आइसोलेट कर दिया है फेमिनिन एनर्जी से. आपने अपने आप को, वेदर यू आर अ मेल और अ फीमेल वाचिंग दिस, सम ऑफ यू मे नॉट फील दैट क्लोज टू योर मदर. आप में से कुछ लोग हो सकता है कि इतना ज़्यादा क्लोज फील ना करो व्हेन इट कम्स टू फीमेल्स अराउंड यू. यू माइट नॉट फील दैट कंफर्टेबल अराउंड फीमेल्स. यू माइट नॉट बी ओपन टू हैव or meet your soulmate. You might want one but you're not open for it. Why? Because कुछ एक ऐसी shame है जो आपने अंदर अपने दबा रखी है, आपने suppress कर रखी है. एंड नाउ अब वो अगस्त में फाइनली वो टाइम आ रहा है कि आप अपने आप को समझो, आप अपना रूट कॉज समझो कि आपकी लाइफ में कुछ चीज़ों में डिलेज क्यों आ रहे हैं, आप अपनी लाइफ में और फेमिनिन क्यों नहीं हो पा रहे हो, या फेमिनिन से ढंग से कनेक्ट क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हो. कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है दैट you are about to meet your soulmate very soon. You are about to meet that divine partner very soon, but for that first you need to deal with certain memories. First you need to deal with this pain, and then only you will be able to move forward. And that is why universe is going to bring these energies up. And if you really want to work on this root cause, you can try Reiki sessions with me, or you can learn Reiki with me. It really helps you to understand the root cause and then work on it, okay? So it's not just why, but it is also how. Let's clarify the card Orphan. You are carrying a burden of a loved one, okay? 7 of Cups की भी एक एनर्जी है. कहीं ना कहीं एक कंफ्यूजन भी है. आप में से कुछ लोगों को एक सेल्फ डाउट भी है कि कहीं ये चीज़ मेरी वजह से तो नहीं हुई थी, मैंने इस पर्सन को वो नुकसान तो नहीं पहुंचाया था, मैंने इस पर्सन को वो ट्रॉमा तो नहीं दिया था. सो यू आर कैरिंग समवन एल्सेस बर्डन ऑन टू योर शोल्डर्स, ओके? It could be from your family also. Let's say some death took place 5 or 6 years ago, या कुछ ऐसा of a loved one, or let's say someone committed suicide or someone injured themselves or anything like that, and you are carrying that burden onto yourself still, okay? Let's see the yin energy. Two of Wands, Page of Swords, and Queen of Wands. So here it's up to you whether you want to be stubborn, whether you want to be rigid, whether you want to become that defensive person जो बहुत जल्दी चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं, who have mood swings, and people who are always afraid of something, people who are always suspicious about something. So you are definitely into your immature feminine energy right now, and you will be given a choice whether you want to channelize all these energies into something positive and something healthy. It's completely up to you. Okay, so if you choose to heal yourself, if you choose to be in a more healthy energy, you will be more creative, you will be more intuitive, you will be more free, you will be more wild, you will be more light, and you will be more receiving. Okay, receiving love from others, receiving acceptance from others. Let's read the card why. So we have Knight of Wands, we have Page of Wands, and we have Four of Wands, and we have King of Wands also. So it seems someone is coming into your life, okay, and or not just someone. For some it can be a person, a romantic interest who is coming into your life, or for others it can be a new interest, it can be in some form of project, it can be some form of healing, but something which is going to excite you, something which is going to intrigue you, that is something which is coming, and this something is going to bring a lot of answers. Okay, along with this something, a lot of answers are coming to you. Okay, जो भी आप अभी तक ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, जो आंसर्स आप सीख करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, वो सब आंसर्स आपके पास आते हुए दिख रहे हैं. Let's clarify this soulmate energy. Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the World. Okay, so firstly, some of you are really confused whether you want something into your love life or not. कुछ लोगों के लिए ऐसा है कि हाँ मुझे कोई पार्टनर तो चाहिए, बट अंदर से you don't want it or you are afraid of it. Okay, some of you are manifesting something, some of you want कि finally I want that closure in my life, finally I want that happy ending in my life, that peace in my life, but you are the own block in your love life is what I'm getting here. Okay, so you need to see things from a fresh perspective, and this fresh perspective is, first step is to become more clear about whether you want it or not. Second, if you know what like whether you want or not, be assertive about it, that yes I want it or no I don't want it. And once you have that, then the third step is going to be surrender. Okay, you will have a lot of you will meet people, you will have certain situations, you will encounter certain situations or circumstances or events where you will be where this energy is going to manipulate your decisions, and you need to become more clear about your decisions, you need to become more assertive about your decisions. And there's some lesson related to assertiveness also, that your universe is trying to strengthen your discernment. Okay, universe is trying to strengthen your decision making power. Some of you have really weak decision making power, you don't know how to make decisions, or even if you do make decisions, you will end up second guessing your own decisions, you will end up doubting your own decisions, and that is something which needs to end, and it is going to end in the month of August. Okay, so this entire thing where you keep on doubting yourself, where you keep on doubting the existence of yourself, all of this needs to end, and this is ending very soon. So that is your reading. I hope it helps.